Hi, I'm Alex Wyshitska, a Snowy 2.0 project engineer. I'm one of more than 2,200 people currently working on this huge pumped hydro expansion of the mighty Snowy scheme. Today we're on site at the Tantanga intake and gate shaft and also the concrete segment factory in Cooma. Let's check out all the construction progress. The intake gate shaft is part of the gate system that controls water flow and provides vent relief. It connects the headrace tunnel to the surface. The shaft is located 200 metres downstream of Tantanga intake and will be created from top down with drill and blast and mechanical excavation. The shaft will be over 50 metres deep. It is an elliptical shape, so it has two diameters, 20 metres and 14.6 metres. We have built a shed over the works so we can work on it during all weather conditions. We've just completed the ring beam that sits on top of the shaft. Soon, concrete pavement will be cast around the ring beam to provide sound access to and from the shaft excavation. Excavation works are continuing at the Tantanga intake, where water will enter and exit the headrace tunnel. About 195,000 cubic metres of material has been removed from a total of 270,000, so we're more than 2/3 through the stage 1 excavation. So far, about 3,900 metres of rock bolts have been installed at the intake, and we're also using rockfall mesh and shotcrete for slope stabilisation. Our precast factory at Polo Flat in Cooma is pumping. The factory is manufacturing 130,000 concrete segments locally to line the 27 kilometres of Snowy 2 tunnels excavated by tunnel boring machines. So far, we've produced 50,000 segments, or almost 40%. There are about 200 people working at the factory, including 11 school-based apprentices from nearby Monaro High. In the large production sheds, there are 2 automated carousels producing more than 200 concrete segments per day. Many of the raw materials, like coarse and fine aggregates, are sourced from local quarries, reducing transport time and costs. Concrete is mixed on-site at the batching plant, which is producing up to 600 cubic metres of concrete a day. The concrete is poured into specially designed segment moulds. Snowy 2.0 uses robots to automate the process of demoulding, cleaning and application of the release agent on the moulds. It takes approximately 8 to 10 hours to cure and demould each segment, then they are stored for about 2 weeks. They are carefully loaded onto our custom-made segment trucks, secured with a special lashing system and then transported to site. Thanks for watching the November Snowy 2.0 video. Stay tuned for next month's project update.